Hey cookers, look at those plump, juicy, flavorful shrimp. And guess what? They cook in almost no time. Today's bite-sized cook is all about shrimp fajitas. So first, we need to get these shrimp marinated so they can get some really good flavor. So put your shrimp in a bowl with some lime juice, and then add a little cumin, salt, black pepper, and if you want to have a little heat to it, some cayenne pepper. You can leave the cayenne out if you want, but I like that little heat. And then add some minced garlic and stir it up real good and set it aside for a few minutes. Now we've got our peppers and onions sliced up, and they need to go into a very, very hot skillet. Now if you're asking yourself, what can I make tonight that's fast, flavorful, and maybe a little unexpected? This is your answer. And while those onions and peppers brown and sear, let's warm up some tortillas on the griddle. It's an easy multitask. The tortillas will be nice and warm as the shrimp and veggies come out of the skillet. Keep these veggies moving. You want them to cook a bit, but still be firm. Let's do a quick check on these tortillas. Flip them over here. Yeah, that looks good. See how they're starting to brown a little bit? I like them toasted just a little bit. Okay, so let's get these veggies out of the skillet and put the shrimp in there. You want this skillet really, really fine. This is going to cook really fast, but don't crowd the shrimp in the skillet. You want the juices from the shrimp and the lime in the marinade to cook off very quickly. Otherwise, your shrimp will just get tough and small. And that marinade, well, the minced garlic adds such a rich flavor, while that caramelized lime juice brings an extra zing and a touch of sweetness. It all creates a wonderful flavor profile. Watch them close. They only need a minute or two per side. See how quickly they turn and peak? Yeah, that's it. It's really simple. Yep, those tortillas are nice and warm. Just keep rotating them out on the griddle. Now throw those onions and peppers back in with the shrimp and toss them around real good. They'll get coated with that garlic and caramelized lime juice, and those flavors will just all melt together and love it. I love it. And there you go, shrimp fajitas. Now I put a little bit of pico de gallo and some cheddar cheese on there, and then top it off with some sour cream. You could use some lettuce or jalapenos or some salsa or some Mexican crema. Do what you want. This is fast, flavorful, and definitely beats boring. Have fun.